I'm Parkin and I run Bundeal and Nellies Nappies. I founded the company to give parents affordable options for cloth nappies and accessories for their babies and toddlers. I was researching them when I had my own daughter and I just couldn't find a website dedicated to affordable cloth nappies. So I realised there was a gap in the market and it inspired me to encourage other parents to use reusable cloth nappies on their children. When I had Nellie, and when she came into my life, I think childbirth and everything, whatever you go through is quite a big deal, and it makes you reevaluate everything. And I thought, well, I've gone through this. I can now, it's ready for the next challenge, and I knew that I could do it. I grew up in Wales, so for me, it's the only place I can imagine doing a job like this, really. We've got beautiful scenery around us, there's beaches, there's friends and family for support, and also the free business advice that you get and support that you get is invaluable when starting up. Develop a sound business plan. You can get advice with that from the Welsh Government funding and your local business mentorship. Make sure that there is a market for whatever you're trying to do out there. Obviously that comes under the business plan. I think be realistic as well about what you can achieve. Be positive at all times, because without that positivity and drive, you know, it's got to be something you believe in if you're going to sell it to others. The encouragement for me was the main thing, if I'm honest. The course that I went on covered all the nitty-gritty, you know, tax and liabilities and all those sorts of bits and pieces, financial bits and pieces I needed to know. But it was really having somebody at the end of the phone who could give you that encouragement to keep going, and you know, the positivity that you need to hear and the reassurance you need to hear, because it's quite daunting and you can feel, especially if you set the business up on your own, you can feel quite isolated. Go online and see what's happening in your area. And also, you know, if possible, go to networking events. I found those quite useful in the early days. There's lots of networking events going on, and meet other business people, because you can always help each other. A lot of hard work, but a lot of satisfaction as well at the end of the day. When my website first went live, you know, it's the most amazing feeling. And when the orders started coming through, when I started getting reviews in magazines and online about the products and getting that feedback, it was just amazing.